Garage Doors Central HW Limited is based in High Wycombe and serves the local community and surrounding areas. Our team of installers have many years' experience in the garage door industry. We supply and install all leading makes of garage doors and offer a friendly first-class service from first contact through to completion. We can automate most garage doors without the need for replacement of your existing installation. We also offer a supply and fit repair service, or if you prefer, we can supply only. For further information, please visit our website or give us a call.